Take command of the road in the 2008 Lexus RX 350. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Lexus infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, front dual-zone air conditioning, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a power liftgate, skid plates, and power front seats. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.